In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI Writer step by step so you can quickly generate content without starting from scratch. Whether you want captions, blog ideas, marketing copy, or simple text for social posts, Canva AI can help you write faster and save a ton of time. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Canva and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left-hand menu and click on Canva AI. This is where Canva's writing tools are located, and it's the fastest way to access the AI writer. After that, click on the doc option. Canva uses this document space to let you type in a prompt and generate text based on your instructions. Now you'll see a writing box where you can describe exactly what you want Canva to write. The more specific you are, the better the result will be. For example, you could type something like, write an Instagram caption for a coffee shop. You could also ask for a product description, a social media post, an email draft, or even a short article idea. Once you enter your prompt, Canva AI will process your request and generate a response for you automatically. After the text appears, take a moment to review it and make any edits you need. You can keep the wording, shorten it, make it more friendly, or adjust it to match your brand voice. That's one of the best parts of using Canva AI Writer because it gives you a strong starting point and helps you work much faster. If the first result isn't exactly what you want, you can simply refine your prompt and try again. Add more detail, change the tone, or specify the audience to get a better output. For example, instead of just asking for an Instagram caption, you could ask for a fun Instagram caption for a local coffee shop targeting students and remote workers. That extra context can make a big difference. You can also use Canva AI Writer for brainstorming. If you're stuck on what to post, ask it for multiple caption ideas, headline ideas, or content angles. This can be a huge time saver for creators, business owners, and the marketers who need fresh content regularly. Once you're happy with your generated text, you can copy it, paste it into your design, or keep editing it inside Canva. Then your content is ready to use across your social media, marketing materials, or documents. So that's how to use Canva AI Writer in just a few simple steps. Open Canva, click Canva AI, choose the doc option, and type in what you want it to write. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new Canva tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.